I showed up to Southern Fried Gaming Expo with way too much gear, no plan, and a camera I barely knew how to use. I told myself this would be a practice project, and I didn't expect it to teach me so much. Day one, I packed like I was shooting a Super Bowl commercial. Tripod, heavy Pelican, backup, backpack I didn't even touch. And like I was just making all these rookie moves. And I forgot to turn off IBIS on my camera while it was on the gimbal. And I was making questionable white balance choices. I don't know that they were rookie moves, but I barely got any footage of me. It was like I was hiding behind the camera, but the truth is I was overwhelmed. I didn't know what story I was telling yet. Day two, I stripped it down, backpack only, gimbal only, and suddenly I was moving better, I was filming faster, and I was thinking clearer. Yes, the backpack might have been bursting at the seams, but I started to focus on what mattered: movement, energy. I didn't do interviews. I still missed some of my key shots, but I was learning. The other thing is, I didn't use everything out of my backpack either. Day three was all about going to the expo with my family. My wife and my son got to come, and I got to spend time with them. So, I really didn't have too much time, but I knew I had plenty of coverage from the first 2 days. So this time I wanted to make sure to capture me quite a bit more. So I packed a Pelican, and it was the exact versatility that I needed. So I had my gimbal, I had a very, very light tripod, everything fit inside of my Pelican. So when I was done, it was just pack that all back up and you are good to go. And I used pretty much everything. I had a lot of different mounting options for my cameras, and I had my gimbal on a tripod, and I was able to conduct interviews had I been able to line those up. So that was pretty awesome. And I have not seen other people do things like this. There's definitely plenty of room for improvement when it comes to getting better at this. I shot 6 hours on my gimbal, and I learned 50 little lessons, and I got better every single day. I didn't make a perfect video, but I made this video, and that's what I learned from the 2025 Southern Fried Gaming Expo.